A simple concoction, lemon and ginger, can deliver a powerful natural boost for digestion, immunity, and general well-being. In this video, we'll explore how lemon and ginger work together, where they help most, and a quick recipe you can make at home. First, the stomach. Highly effective for digestion, nausea relief, and reducing bloating. Second, overall health, immunity support, anti-inflammatory action, and heart benefits. Third, eyes. Indirect support via antioxidants like vitamin C, not a cure but protective as part of a healthy diet. Where this tonic truly shines is the digestive system. Ginger and lemon have long been used for stomach issues. Ginger contains gingerol and shogols, compounds proven to reduce nausea in many situations. It helps with morning sickness, motion sickness, and nausea after medical procedures. Always consult a doctor for pregnancy or chemo. Lemon complements this by supporting stomach acidity and stimulating bile production for fat digestion. Together, they make a digestive tonic. Ginger moves and settles the gut. Lemon cleanses and supports the liver. Beyond digestion, the blend offers broader health support. Lemon is rich in vitamin C and flavonoids, potent antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative damage. Ginger brings antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce chronic inflammation. Combined, they support immunity, heart health, and may aid metabolic balance, though more human studies are needed for some claims. Think of this as a supportive daily tonic, not a cure, and best as part of an overall healthy diet. Ginger, the digestive powerhouse, relieves nausea, backed by strong research for morning sickness, motion sickness, and post-surgery cases. It stimulates saliva, bile, and gastric enzymes, helping food break down and easing bloating. Ginger has a carminative effect. It can help expel gas and reduce cramping. Lemon, the acidity regulator and vitamin C source. Although acidic, lemon metabolically alkalizes the body and complements stomach acid for digestion. Lemon also stimulates bile production in the liver, aiding fat digestion and helping cleanse the system. Synergy. Ginger settles and moves the gut. Lemon supports cleansing and liver function. Immunity. Lemon provides vitamin C. Ginger offers antimicrobial properties. Anti-inflammatory. Gingerol acts like a natural anti-inflammatory, while lemon antioxidants neutralize free radicals. Heart health and metabolism. Early studies point to reduced LDL, blood pressure benefits, and modest metabolic support. Eyes. Important caveat, lemon ginger juice is supportive, not a treatment. Antioxidants, especially vitamin C, protect against oxidative stress linked to cataracts and AMD progression as part of an overall diet. Use this tonic as part of a varied nutrient-rich diet with leafy greens and colorful fruits, and seek professional eye care for disease. Recipe. Start with a fresh 2-inch piece of ginger. Avoid powder for best results. Grate or thinly slice the ginger and add to 2 cups of water. Slice lemons and juice them fresh. Mix with the ginger water or add to a juicer. Make about half a cup of concentrate, then dilute with 2 glasses of water to taste. Moderation. 1-2 cups per day is generally safe for most people. Cautions: pregnant people, those on medications, or with medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider first. Store fresh in the fridge and use within a couple of days for best potency. This tonic supports health slowly. Expect gradual benefits with consistent use. If you found this helpful, try the recipe and watch how your digestion and energy respond. Subscribe for more simple, natural health tips. Click the button and ring the bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See the description for the full recipe and sources. Stay healthy and enjoy your lemon ginger tonic.